Buckle up, football fans! Cristiano Ronaldo's 2024 was one for the history books. In 2024, Cristiano Ronaldo wasn't just scoring goals, he was scoring big bucks. He became the highest paid athlete, raking in a jaw-dropping $260 million. That's $215 million from his Al Nasser salary and winnings, plus $45 million in endorsements. Talk about a golden year. Playing for Al Nasser, Ronaldo bagged 92 goals in 103 matches since joining in 2023. And in the 2023-24 season alone, he netted 50 goals and 13 assists, earning the Saudi Pro League Golden Boot. But he didn't stop there. In the 2024-25 season, he added 28 goals and 4 assists to his tally. Ronaldo's contract with Al Nasser ends this season, but rumors swirl about an extension. With over 700 career goals already, he's eyeing the big 1,000. Can he do it? Stick around because Ronaldo's still got plenty of magic left in those boots.